Okay, so this is Devil Train by Grace Potter and the Nocturnals.